हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल क्रिप्टो लाइफ। सो आज की वीडियो हमारी है फरविन टोकन के बारे में। तो फरविन टोकन जो है तो इसकी जो लॉन्च हो रही है, जो इसकी मेन न्यूज़ है वो है पैनकेक स्वैप पे इसकी लॉन्च हो रही है। आज 29 अक्टूबर को इसकी आज लॉन्च है पैनकेक स्वैप पे। तो यहाँ पर वो ऑफिशियली अवेलेबल होगा। इसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एड्रेस दिया गया होगा, लिंक में डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं आपको दे दूँगा। वहाँ पर आप जाकर इसको बाय करें और इसको आप एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं। तो आज हम इसका डिटेल रिव्यू करेंगे और आपको बताऊंगा कि ये पैनकेक स्वैप डॉट फाइनेंस पर ऑफिशियल रिलीज़ हो रहा है। वहाँ पर आप जाएं और इसको एक्सचेंज करें। तो इसके बारे में इसकी वेबसाइट है fervintoken.com। तो इसका जो लिंक होगा मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगा। तो फरविन टोकन फाउंडेशन रिसाइकल्स इंटीग्रल लाइफ। फरविन टोकन, we are a committed organization that puts its heart to the environment and the damage of the work of the public recycles. Here is the link to join their community on Telegram, on Facebook, on Twitter. Official Discord is given. Here is their smart contracts where you can use to buy this Fervent token. Sell live on Pink Sale. So today there is a launch of this coin on pancakeswap.com. Project Fervin, we offer plans and proposal to carry out projects in conjunction with all sectors, institutions and public and private organizations that wish to form integral alliances to achieve the objectives through restoration and improvement of the environment. So here is the logo of Fervin token. You need to remember this slogan. There is the official logo of this channel. What is Fervin token? It is a cryptocurrency token as a Binance Smart Chain. It works in the BNB with the 10% free reward to the holders and donates significant sums to charities. Holders need nothing more than to hold their tokens to earn rewards. In addition, a stock will be implemented so that all holders can take advantage of this entire ecosystem. So first is their vision. Fervin in 2024 will be the leading reference organization in the creation of collective cooperation models that contribute to sustainable development for the development of the community. What is their mission? Now I will discuss what is their mission. Promote projects that contribute to the sustainable development of the territories, positively impacting communities of the waste pickers and societies in general. Here is given the phase 1 Fervin launch. First donation 100k of trees planting, community contest, DRLSO website, Pancake Swap logo. So their main motive is to care for the planet. Caring for the planet is the main feature of this token. Phase 2 Coin Eco listing, Coin Market Cap listing, White Bit listing. Second donation 300k trees planting, Galaxy listing, community live streams, website improvements, major influencer partnership, Fervin logos, team members doxing. Phase 3 NFT marketplace development, donation records. Third donation 500k trees planting, more community members doxing, huge community giveaways, game development. Phase 4 NFT game alpha, new match design and soon more. So they have a launch in India and Pakistan. It's launched in Friday to 29 October on pancakeswap.exchange and the time will be 2 p.m. So you can join there in pancakeswap.com. They have a launch on this website, so you can buy this token. Now I have to show you the white paper. My concern of the video is that the Fervin token is going to launch on 19th of the October in India and Pakistan and all over the world on 29 October Friday at 2 p.m. in Pakistan and India and 20 p.m. in UTC according to the time. So here is a very big launch of this Fervin token. You can buy and check then. So the main concern of the video is that they are launching on pancakeswap finance. You can go and check it now after I will publish the video. I have given all the details in the previous.